Ihr Kochen mit Hans.
Ah, guten Tag, recruits. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Hans. So, as we start, our German word for the day is Nachtisch. Nachtisch, which means dessert. So, on this episode, I'm going to talk about a particular type of ingredient called zest. Zest is, you've probably seen in cookbooks of desserts. Most of you know what they are, but for the beginners, zest is dealing with adding a bit of flavor to your desserts without having to add a lot of fluids. So, these are the three main ingredients of zest.
Orange plus lime and lemon.
You get the zest from the rind, the outer skin. Like with lemon, you just grate the outer side with a tool for nutmeg, spices, or zest. Some of these are used for not just desserts, but as garnishes for cocktails or making a drink. Because who hasn't enjoyed an orange juice or lemonade? You can take a lemon and slice it, these sections off, and just add them to a glass of water to add a bit of flavor to the water without having to juice the entire lemon or the lime. You can even use a cucumber. But we use these zests for things like carrot cakes, pies, cheesecake. Maybe not the pies. Oh, wait a minute. I believe the key lime pie might use a bit of zest. If not, there's no regrets being wrong once in a while. You learn more from your mistakes than you do from being right. Because when you think you're right and you turn out to be wrong, it's a blow to the ego, but it's always good to learn what is a mistake and what is not. So, when you go to the grocery store and you need to pick up some zest, just go to the produce section where all the fruits and vegetables are. And that's where you're going to find your zest. You just simply grade a bit off, or the amount that is stated in the recipe, and have fun cooking. So remember, we have ways of making you cook. So, auf Wiedersehen.